ChatGPT on the actual device, what better way to supercharge iPhone? Hey guys, this is Genius6 here, back again with another video. This time I got one of the best technique how you can actually supercharge your iDevice completely free. Go in App Store, download the Siri shortcuts. The process is pretty simple. If you go search, go open it up, that's a Siri shortcut. In your phone it might say install, get installed. Once you install it, and then it's pretty simple from there. For the record, video is only for education purpose, so please take it in a better way, and I'm not responsible for anything. What I would recommend you to do is go in a website called platform.openai.com. At first, if you're in there, it will ask you to sign up or sign in. Sign up with any account. You can use your Gmail, you can use your Yahoo, Hotmail, you can use your iCloud as well. I'm using my iCloud. You can actually generate multiple email addresses within iCloud as well. So if you want it, comment down below. I'll do another video for you guys too. So you must be thinking how you're going to get it. So the first thing what you need to get is you need to get key. Top right hand corner, which is 4 bars, and you're going to press in personal, which is once you logged in. And from here you need to get view API keys. As you can see, I got 2 keys, but if you don't have it, press create new secret key. This is the key you will be utilizing that to the Siri shortcut. So again, the Siri shortcut I'll putting in the description below. Go and open it, download it. At first, once you launch this, it will ask you to put API key, paste the API key, press done. Once you're done, you're all set. Best way, if you go back in there, press the share icon. Once you're in it, press add to home screen. Once you get it, the shortcut is actually active. Okay, let's ask a question for Siri GPT. Write me a program in Python to check given number is prime or not. Wait for a while and you'll be able to see the response from there. It will blow your mind.
Program to check if a number is prime or not. Take input from the user num equals int. Input, enter a number. Prime numbers are greater than...
Anyway, you can see the difference. Now if I go ask the same question to the Siri, write a program in a Python to check a given number is prime or not. As you can see, the Siri has no answer for this one. So once you start using Siri shortcut, you will know how easy it is to actually do automation as well. You can actually do multiple tasks. As you can see, I got a multiple Siri shortcuts running in my actual device as well. So I utilize this one every single day. You can use this one every single day as well. And for the record, if you got an open AI GPT on the actual device, what better way to supercharge your iPhone? So this is Genius6 signing out. Peace.